Okay, so the adventure today is to go over to Diamond Island over there. I'm at Diamond Island Resort. They've said I can use their kayak. Look at all the rabbits, bunnies. Yes, the problem is when I checked the kayak out last night, it's only got half of the kayak paddle, so I'm going to have to use it as a canoe. Drag it down to the water. We'll see how we go. There's all the accommodation. Just came down here last night at about 8:30 p.m. just as it got dark, and we saw the penguins. They walk up just beyond this fence line, and there's a little viewing area there. Wow, what a beautiful morning. I'm just going up to the section, it's high tide, so I'm going up to the section where at low tide there's a sandbar that goes across. There's the resort back there. So with this kayak, there was a hole here, the bung hole plug is lost. They can't find the plug, so I said put some electrical tape, do a bit of a MacGyver, and just make sure no water gets into that hole. Alright, well, let's see how we go. Okay, made it across. Only took about 5 or 6 minutes to paddle across. There's a bit of a strong breeze. So, here we have Diamond Island Nature Reserve. Okay, the Mutt is up there, fed halfway. Antenna is up with a sleeper, going up that tree. And just starting to set up here now. I've got the radio and the battery wrapped in plastic. My bottom got a little bit wet in the kayak, and so did the bottom of the bag. So I'm glad I did wrap the radio and the battery in the plastic bags. I'll set up and get operating. Yeah, no worries at all, Chris. Well, it's good to get you, buddy. Really good to get you. And thanks for the contact. 7-3. Cheers. QRZ, Parks on the air. VK4 Kilo Charlie. Standing by. VK4 Charlie. Golf. Took twice as long to get back because the wind was against me, but and a wave got me a bit wet. Oh no. It's good though. Beautiful over there, but it was actually a bit calmer going over and the wind's come up, so it was a good activation.